If you are preparing to become an ACCA, then you should definitely know about the salaries जो आप expect कर सकते हो both in India and global. Because we know कि ACCA एक global qualification है, यानी कि आप सिर्फ इंडिया में ही नहीं, दुबई, यूके, यूएसए, सिंगापुर जैसी कंट्रीज में भी जॉब कर सकते हो. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, यहाँ सिर्फ नंबर्स बुक्स में नहीं, आपको पेचेक में भी दिखते हैं. सी, ACCA ना एक शॉर्टकट कोर्स नहीं है, इट्स अ फुल ऑन ग्लोबल क्वालिफिकेशन जिसके बाद यू कैन गेट अ लॉट ऑफ करियर ऑप्शन. यू कैन गो इनटू इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग, फिनटेक, कंसल्टिंग, अकाउंटिंग एंड इवन टैक्सेशन. जो भी सेक्टर आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगे, यू कैन चूज दैट. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सैलरीज, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इफ वी आर इन्वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम, एफर्ट्स एंड मनी, तो हमें ROI भी चाहिए होता है. दैट इज रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्ट. वेल, फ्रेशर्स विद 0 to 2 years of work experience can easily start around 8 LPA and sometimes even higher if you are trained with a big MNC. Mid-level professionals, say with 4 to 6 years of experience, can earn around 18 to 20 LPA depending on their role. Job titles like financial analyst, risk manager or FP&A specialist are super common at this stage. And then comes the senior level like the company CFO, finance director or head of risk and compliance. यहाँ salaries 40 to 60 LPA तक comfortably जाती हैं, and if you are working with a good reputed firm तो 70 plus भी पैकेज जाता है. अब if we talk about the ACCA salaries internationally, तो in the UK, Glassdoor reports that trainee roles को around 24,000 to 37,000 pounds per year मिलते हैं, which is around 25 lakhs to 40 lakhs. And once you're fully qualified, then it goes up to 40,000 pounds, which is around 40 to 45 lakhs in Indian terms. In UAE, Singapore and Canada, average packages ranges between 35 to 70 lakh per year depending on your role and experience. So yes, global exposure ACCA professionals के लिए definitely rewarding है, but yes, every country has their own cost of living and tax structure, so real savings might be different. But now comes the real question कि ACCA complete करने के बाद कौन सा career path choose करना चाहिए. Simple, explore during your articleship or internship. Some people might like investment banking, some might like consulting, fintech, etc. So the beauty of ACCA कि it's flexible enough. जहाँ आपका interest करे, आप उस field को choose कर सकते हैं. And lastly, if you're genuinely serious about pursuing ACCA, then you can check out Learning GT's ACCA course, because we have helped thousands of students achieve their global finance dreams with expert mentors and complete guidance. And in the next part, I'll share the eligibility criteria and tips and tricks to crack your ACCA exam. So do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below.